Best small bonsais for windowsills. Bonsais are miniature trees that can be grown on windowsills for decoration and relaxation. They are an excellent choice for people who want to add a touch of nature to their homes without taking up too much space. Bonsais for windowsills can improve air quality by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. They also provide a natural touch to living spaces and can help to relieve stress by creating a calming atmosphere. When selecting a bonsai for windowsills, consider factors such as lighting, temperature, and watering needs. Choose a plant that is compatible with the light conditions in your home and can thrive in the temperature range you typically maintain. Some popular bonsais for windowsills include ficus, jade, and dwarf Japanese maple. Ficus is a versatile plant that can grow in a variety of light conditions, while jade is a succulent that is easy to care for and has a unique appearance. Dwarf Japanese maple has beautiful foliage and can add a touch of color to your windowsill. Proper care for bonsais on windowsills includes regular watering, fertilization, and pruning. Water the plant when the soil feels dry to the touch, and fertilize it once a month during the growing season. Prune the plant to maintain its shape and prevent it from becoming too large. Common issues with bonsais on windowsills include pests, overwatering, and underwatering. Keep an eye out for pests such as spider mites and scale insects, and treat them promptly if you notice an infestation. Avoid overwatering your plant by allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings, and make sure the pot has good drainage to prevent water from accumulating in the soil. Bonsais are an excellent choice for windowsills, as they can add beauty and tranquility to living spaces. With proper care, they can thrive in these conditions, bringing joy and relaxation to your home. Remember to choose a plant that is well suited to the light and temperature conditions in your home, and be diligent in caring for it to ensure it stays healthy and beautiful.